Hey guys, Wagwan. Sorry, I was just reading the very first Dutchie and Grill cookbook. This cookbook is packed with fantastic recipes and tips and videos for you to watch and to learn how to cook Jamaican food. In the book here, we've got the introduction, tells you a little bit about me and an overall view about how I started cooking. We've got the history of Jamaican food, and there's also the history of Dutchie and Grill. There's some fantastic recipes here, like the lobster and crayfish rumdum, which is a favorite, and the famous ackee and saltfish, Jamaica's national dish. We also have tips here that shows you different tips of how to cook the food and things that you can do in the kitchen to make it a bit easier for you. And this is, I've never been done before. I haven't seen it in any cookbook, and this is a QR code here. So you scan this code and it will take you to the YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe as well. And it shows you how to make the ginger beer. And there's other recipes in here with the QR code that will help you make whatever your favorite food. Okay guys, well, get your book today. It's available on Amazon. This could be the perfect Christmas gift, birthday gift, anniversary, for all occasions. Check out the new Dutchie and Grill cookbook, and also available here at Dutchie and Grill. Thank you for choosing Dutchie and Grill.
Pass the Dutchie on the left hand side. Pass the Dutchie on the left hand side.